In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Kodak ESP 3.2 all-in-one printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, please navigate to the button search bar here and type for Chrome. So in a few moments, you would be able to see a best match. Please click on Open to continue. And once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please directly proceed to the Windows search bar, clear it, make a right click and go with the paste icon or option. So once you have pasted that, click on enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. And eventually you can see the mega folder. Please wait until you can see the download option where you can download this zip file. So once it's here, click on this download and eventually it will now start. Kindly wait until this would be finished before we proceed to the installation. Once done, directly navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Click on it. And from here to the zip file, please proceed to the folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So tap on it and eventually you would be able to see this kind of location. Make a right click and go with the cut icon. So once you have copied it, close the window as well as this one. And from here at the desktop, make a right click and go with the paste icon. So once you have pasted the zip file, okay, all you need to do is you need to double tap to it to extract it, or you can simply make a right click and click on extract all, or if you have a WinRAR tool, you can use that to extract the file. So click on extract to and kindly wait until it would be extracted successfully here in our Windows. And once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So how we can do so, navigate at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here at the settings window, by the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings window, you need to navigate to the option called Bluetooth and devices which is being placed at the left pane of our screen. So from here, please proceed with printers and scanners, tap on it and eventually you can see an option called add device. So tap on it and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver and once it's here, click on Add Manually and kindly wait until any window would appear where you can add a printer manually here in your PC or laptop. So once it show up here, please go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So click on Next. Go with Have Disk. And from here, since our click on browse rather and since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then navigate there, scroll down, double tapped and it will show up the driver. Click on open, click on OK and eventually you would be able to see this one. So select for Kodak ESP 3.2 AiO or all-in-one printer, go with next and it would be added here. Click on next and it can be installed here. Done. Once done, go with next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box and you can also run a test page to check if the printer is working properly. So go with finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Kodak ESP 3.2 AiO or all-in-one printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.